India is a country of festivals. Each festival has its own unique way of celebration. Festivals like Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Navratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, and many more. For all our celebrations, we do decorations all the time. Rather, it has become an important factor in every event. Celebration comes with decorating complete room, area, or a building. People buy conventional products at very low cost, but then they work only for a short period of time. But wait, what about its running cost? They are real expensive. People prefer buying only low cost products, but then how can these products be so expensive? Let us check it out. For example, let us consider a wired diya mala, that is, a wired diya lighting string. This regular wired diya lighting string consumes around 20.83 watts of power. Now let us compare with the product manufactured in India by Navitas Efficience. This wired diya lighting string consumes only around 2.2 watts of power. It means it is 1/10 of the consumption of conventional diya lighting. It's a huge saving in running cost, and that too with a product warranty. Navitas Efficience is manufacturing a wide range of such Indian festive products since 2012. It is the first company to introduce such decorative products with warranty with the brand name Cooldeep. This wired diya lighting string contains 11 diyas, one mains cord, and a driver circuit. The wire used is a good quality copper wire with a mains cord for easy plug-in. SMPS based power supply is used, which can operate on 110 volts or 220 volts input AC supply. And very important, it is shock proof, making it safe for kids and everyone to handle. Other warranty product includes multicolor diya lighting string, 12 feet, 35 feet, 42 feet long wire lighting strings which are available in different colors. More than 90% of the components used are made in India, and we are preparing to make it 100% very soon. These products are assembled by many self-help groups who are given training to assemble and test them, trying to make them Atmanirbhar and support the Indian economy. All these products are long-lasting, repairable, and reusable. Navitas Efficience wishes to manufacture more such innovative and decorative products in bulk quantities to reduce its cost and making them affordable for everyone. We request you all to join our mission to produce more quality decorative products, thereby keeping our environment clean and safe, thereby reducing the e-waste. Be Indian, buy Indian, and be vocal for local.